Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video we will discuss about the MailChimp dashboard. How you can send emails to your subscribers and how to automate some process in MailChimp. So recently I made couple of videos on email marketing, how to add email newsletter form in WordPress, or how to add a email subscription pop-up to Blogger by MailChimp. So let's check how you can send emails whenever you publish a new blog post to your website or you want to send some offer to your subscribers. So to send emails, you have to first create a email campaign. So to create this, you have to click on this create button. Now it will show a screen like this, and here as you can see there is some option like email automation, website, landing page. So here I will click on email. So in email you will get three options: regular, plain text and templates. So if you want to send a pre-made templates, then you can use the templates. So as we are new, we will use the regular one. So let me just click on regular option here, and I can set the campaign. So I will set the campaign like blog post update like this, and I will click on begin. Okay, our blog post update campaign is created. Now you have to select this option 2. So you can select the edit recipient, and here you can select your audience. So here there is one audience tab here, so I will select my audience, and you can also set some groups. So if you set up the tags, so I have set up the tags as pop-up, or I can select to all subscribers so that this email will be gone to all of my subscribers. Okay, now let me just click on save here. Now let's select the from. So let's click on edit, and as you can see here you can send your name, and here you can add your email address. So here I can add my website address, or you can enter your own name. So let me just add this like Abhishek from Key to Blogging like this, and you can set the email address here, and I will click on save. Okay, now you have to add a subject line. So let me just click on add subject, and here you can add subject like new blog post updates, and here you can also add a preview text so that it will appear as a preview text. So these are the preview text like this. So let me just add some preview text like get the, or you can do like read our latest blog post. So you can use any preview text like this, and let me just click on save. Okay, now we have set the to, from and subject. Now let's design the email. So I will click on design email here. So there are two builder, like you can use the classic builder or you can use the new builder. So let me just select the classic one. So I will click on select. Okay, now here you will see a lot of layout options like one column full width, or you can set 2 column. So here you can use any of the basic one. So I can select simply like simple text here, because if you keep the email simple, then the visibility will improve and user will easily interact your emails. Now here you will see this option like text, box text, divider, images, image group. So here you can add this element to your email. So let's click on here, and let me just change the subject line to new blog post, and you can add your blog post name here. So I will set it like new blog post 1. Now here you can design this option, like here you can delete all the pre-written text here, and you can add your content. So let me just open a blog post from here. So I will open this, and let me just copy the title from here. Let me just add this in the title field. and in the second field I will click on here, and I will add some intro text here like this. So you can use any text here. So I will paste it here, and you can also upload some image here, or you can also add some links. So here let me just add some link like read more, and I will copy the blog post link here, and I will highlight this option and click on link, and I will paste the URL like this, and I will click on, let's click on advanced option, and here you can open it in a new tab. Okay, now let's click on insert, and as you can see the link is now added. Okay, now let's add an image here to make it more appealing. So let me just copy this image from here. So I will copy this image link. Let's click on here. Now it will ask you to upload the image or use it from imported from URL. So I will import the URL here. Okay, now let's click on save and insert. Okay, now our image is added, and we have added the text and read more button, or you can change it like continue reading. Now let's click on save and close. Now if you want to add some dividers, so let me just simply drag the dividers here. Now let's click on save and close. Now let's add some social follow buttons. So I will drag it and drop it here, and here I can add some social media links. So here you can add the links, or you can add another service. Like I will select this from drop down menu, and here I can select any other option like YouTube. Now let's click on save, and as you can see the social media icons is now added at the bottom. So in this way you can add different elements. You can also add some buttons instead of the read more link. So let me just drag this button from here, and I will paste it like this, and let's change the button text to like continue reading, and I can copy the blog post URL from here, and I will paste the URL like this, and here you can further style this button. So let's change the color. Okay, now let's click on save. Okay, now our basic email is added. Let me just click on continue. Okay, now you have set the content. Now you can send the email. So let me just click on send here, and I will click on send now. So it will now take some time to send the emails to all of your subscribers. So let's wait for a little bit. Okay, the email is now delivered to my email address, and as you can see we have added the title like new blog post update, and we have set the preview text here, and we have set the name. So let me just click on here, and as you can see this is the email that we have added in that campaign, and when I click on the continue reading button it will redirect me to my blog post like this. And we have also added some of these text, and user can easily unsubscribe if they want, or they can update your preference. So if a user want to unsubscribe your newsletter, then he can easily do that by clicking on this button. Okay, now in this way you can create your email campaigns, and here you can see this campaign. Just click on campaign and click on all campaign here, and here as you can see these are the campaigns that we have created, and here there is one open rates and there is one click. So in this way you can track how many people open your emails and how many of them click on your link. Now let's click on create button again, and let's click on automation here, and here let's click on get started. Now let's click on create journey. Now you can set a name here, so I can set like my automation, and I will click on start building. Now I will click on choose start point, and I will select this option sign up. So whenever someone sign up this email address, it will then add the automation process. Now I will click on include imported contacts, and I will click on save starting point. Okay, so whenever someone sign up to your email newsletter, the automation process will follow. So let me just scroll down and let me just send an email. So let's drag and drop here, and let's click on create email, and here you can set to and from subject line, and here you can select a template from here, and here you can set a campaign. So whenever someone sign up to your email newsletter, you can send a welcome message to them, or you can send a offer letter or something like that, or you can send a download link of one of your ebook. So in this way the automation work, and here you will get this option. So let me just click on if and else. So I will click on here. So let's click on if and else condition, and so if they open the email address, then it will follow the next process. So if they open the email address, then you can send another email to that person. So let me just drag and drop here, and if they don't open the email address, then you can send another email to that person, and here you can create that email using this form. So this is how the email automation work in MailChimp. Now let's click on back, and here you can see this analytics here, and I think this is how the basic settings work. And here you can see all of your contacts, and here you can also assign a tag here. So let me just click on here and add or remove tag. So let me just create a new tag here. So I will select like this subscriber is from blogger, so I will click on blogger here. Now let's click on another email address, and I can assign a tag like WordPress. Okay, now we have assigned the tag in the email. So whenever you want to send an email, then you can either send all the contacts that are tagged in blogger, or you can send an emails to WordPress tags. So in this way you can individually send some of your contacts instead of sending the email to all of your subscribers. And let's click on inbox here, and whenever someone reply to your email address, then it will show the email here. I hope you got the idea how to send emails to your subscribers and how to automate your process in MailChimp. And if you still have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if this content is helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button, and do subscribe Key to Blogging for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.